Hello, investors and traders. This is Brian coming to you today from candlecharts.com. So I just want to show you quickly something that I spotted in the markets just the other day, and it's symmetry within the markets. It's a very, very powerful tool. It doesn't always happen, but when it does, why not take advantage of it? And again, it can help you for entering as well as for exiting your trade. So again, increasing the profits in your pocket. So what we're going to do is go live to FXCM, which is what I'm using to trade my euro versus US dollar. And as you can see here, we're in the 15-minute windows candles. And this is the chart here. So this ended on Friday night. And then sure enough, we opened down. So we had a falling window on Monday morning or late Sunday night. And again, this appeared to be holding as a pretty good resistance area. So I'm using the Fibonacci tool, not for the sake of Fibonacci, keep that in mind. This is just strictly for the point of looking at it from the measuring tool. So we've got the 0 up here at the resistance area. And as you can see, resistance did change slightly. And again, we've got the 100% mark basically down here at the low. And if I move that down just a pinch right there to mark the low of this candle. So again, you can see this was a nice drop off. Unfortunately, most of the drop happened within 15 to maybe 30 minutes here. But again, looking at this, you can also see here that again, not quite hammer patterns, but you can see lots of lower shadow. And again, obviously the bulls have been pushing back in. You've got a higher low, and sure enough, we pushed higher. So what we want to do is move this pattern over. Move the drawing tool over. We'll place it here at this recent high, which had the high wave candle. And you can see when we came down, we stepped down nicely. Sure enough, we formed a morning star. Now, we didn't quite hit the low of this 100% level retracement as we did previously, but it certainly came close. And having seen this morning star just before the 100% level might have made you think that you wanted to get out of your position, because sure enough, it bopped all the way back up. Now, I say all the way backed up, it went all the way back up to a falling trend line. So when I move this over again, this is the recent high. So I just pull the charts back. And what you can see here is that we came down and again within pips. And sure enough, we've had a hammer that did form here. And again, you could see we were doing a lot of consolidation. Bullish engulfing, almost a bullish engulfing, maybe not quite. But again, you're seeing lower shadow, lots of lower shadow, and then certainly on the next candle pattern, we had lots of lower shadow. When you see rhythms and patterns and symmetry happening within the marketplace, take advantage of it. Again, it doesn't happen necessarily all the time, but what a great opportunity. I spotted this quickly, and I was able to get out of this trade just prior to, obviously it didn't quite hit the bottom here, but before the bulls pushed this hammer pattern all the way back up to form the hammer itself. So my trade actually ended probably somewhere down around this area here, down in the lower part of that shadow. Something important, keep it in mind. Oh, I hope it's useful. Thank you very much. Good luck trading.